Replacing your windows is a significant home improvement project that can bring long-lasting benefits, from improved energy efficiency to enhanced curb appeal. However, like any major renovation, window replacement requires careful preparation to ensure the process goes smoothly and with minimal disruption. For homeowners in Kendall, Florida, getting ready for window replacement involves more than just scheduling the installation date. It requires planning and organization. To help you prepare, we've put together a comprehensive checklist to guide you through the steps to get your home ready for the big day. Choose the right window replacement company. The first and most important step in preparing for window replacement is choosing the right contractor. Look for a company with a good reputation in Kendall, experienced in the type of windows you need, and one that offers excellent customer service. Take the time to read reviews, ask for references, and check for proper licensing and insurance. Once you've selected a contractor, schedule an in-home consultation to discuss your options. This is when you'll finalize window types, materials, and installation timelines. A professional assessment will also ensure that measurements are accurate, helping avoid any last-minute issues. Clear the work area around the windows before the installation crew arrives. You'll want to clear the area around each window to give them easy access to the workspace. This includes moving furniture, decorations, or other items that may block the windows or get in the way. If the windows are located near walls or shelving, it's best to temporarily remove any pictures or fragile items. For windows on higher floors or those that require ladders or scaffolding, ensure there is a clear path to the exterior of your home. Removing items in the immediate vicinity of the windows will help the installers work more efficiently and avoid damage to your belongings. Protect your floors and carpets. While window replacement can be a relatively clean job, it's always a good idea to protect your floors and carpets, especially in areas that are frequently accessed. Consider using drop cloths or plastic sheeting to cover the floors beneath each window. This is particularly important if you're replacing several windows in one day. If you have hardwood floors or high-end carpeting, ask your installation company if they provide floor protection. Many contractors offer protective coverings to keep your floors safe from dust and debris during the installation process. Remove window treatment in preparation for the installation. Remove any window coverings, such as curtains, blinds, or drapes. This will not only help protect your treatments from potential damage, but it will also give the installers an unobstructed view and make their work more efficient. If you want to rehang your window coverings after the installation, make sure to carefully store them in a safe place so they're easy to access when needed. For homeowners with custom or expensive window treatments, it may also be helpful to have them professionally cleaned before reinstalling them. This ensures that no dust or debris accumulates while your windows are being replaced. Prepare for noise and disruption. Window replacement is a construction project, and like most renovations, it will cause some noise and disruption. During the installation, you can expect sounds from power tools, hammering, and window removal. If you work from home, have small children, or are sensitive to noise, it's a good idea to plan accordingly. Consider arranging alternative workspaces or childcare for the day of the installation. If you're not home during the project, make sure to discuss with the contractor any necessary access points or special instructions. Provide contact information in case there are any issues during the installation process. Ensure proper ventilation. Proper ventilation is crucial during window replacement, as the process can create dust and debris that may circulate in your home. If you have air purifiers, it's a good idea to turn them on before the installers arrive to help reduce dust buildup. You might also want to open windows in other rooms, if possible, to allow fresh air to circulate while the work is being done. Additionally, keep your HVAC system running to help manage the airflow throughout your home. This will help prevent dust from settling in your home's ventilation system and ensure that the air quality remains as clean as possible during the process. Secure your pets and children. If you have pets or small children, it's important to keep them safe and out of the work area. Pets may become anxious from the noise and movement, while children could be at risk with tools and materials in use. Consider setting up a safe, quiet space for your pets and children away from the installation area. You might even want to arrange for them to stay with a friend or family member for the day if the work is extensive. Review the final details a few days before the installation date. Take one last look at the details with your contractor. Confirm the timeline, ask about any last-minute preparations you need to make, and make sure all the details, from window types to installation specifics, are finalized. If you have any questions or concerns, this is the time to address them. Conclusion. Preparing for window replacement in your Kendall home doesn't have to be stressful. By following this checklist, you'll ensure that your home is ready for the project, allowing the installation crew to work efficiently and with minimal disruption. Clear your space, protect your floors, and take the time to make sure you've chosen the right contractor for the job. With a little preparation, you can look forward to the benefits of new, energy-efficient windows that will improve your home's comfort, curb appeal, and value for years to come.